Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make Tindora Sabzi. Tindora is a small vegetable that's 1 to 2.5 inches in length, also called ivy gourd or dondakaya or kovakya. The flesh is crunchy and stays a little firm even after cooking. I love the texture of Tindora. It's really different from most vegetables. You can find them at Indian stores, farmers markets, and Asian stores. Let me show you how to make a tasty dish out of this nutritious Tindora. I'll put a link to the ingredients below the video. Wash the Tindora well. Trim the ends if you need to. Some ends are not tough, so you don't have to trim them. Cut them lengthwise in half and again in half. Heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of coconut oil or vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When they pop, add 1 dried red chili, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon hing powder, 1 large onion sliced, a little salt, a sprig of curry leaves, 1 green chili slit. Saute the onion until golden. Add a 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, tablespoon of ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Make sure the heat is low so the spices don't burn. Stir for a minute and add 1 large tomato chopped, a little salt. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, just before the onions are golden. I completely forgot to add them earlier, so I'm putting them in with the tomatoes. Saute until the tomatoes are soft. Add the quartered Tindora, salt, and saute for a minute. Add a half a cup of water. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the Tindora is cooked. It is a firm vegetable and does take at least 15 minutes to cook properly. They should not be crisp tender. They should be a little soft but not mushy. Stir occasionally. This is tamarind, used to add sourness to dishes. Take a small piece of tamarind and soak it in a little boiling water. Mash it into the water and use a teaspoon or 2 of the liquid towards the end of cooking. This is optional. You can substitute a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar if you can't get tamarind. 15 minutes later, add another sprig of curry leaves. My Tindora will take another 5 minutes to cook. Taste and add more salt if you like. Get all the brown bits on the bottom. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of the tamarind liquid. Cover and leave just for a minute. Turn the heat off and the Tindora Sabzi is ready. I like to eat this healthy vegetarian dish with hot rice. Cook the rice while you're cooking the Tindora and both will be ready at the same time. You can also serve it with any type of bread. You saw how easy this was to make, so I do hope you give it a try. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.